Hi, I'm Dave Young from CryptoCoin.News. This is Altcoins this week. The market levels out and starts a recovery. CFTC supports a no-harm approach for crypto. Token and Seele ICOs hit by phishing attacks. Forbes publishes the richest people in cryptocurrency list. Transnistria makes its bid to welcome crypto miners. The small disputed area of Moldova that likes to claim to be a country but has trouble getting support for this idea outside of Russia has hit the press again, wanting to attract cryptocurrency miners to the region. Its president, Vadim Krasnoselsky, said, "We are an electricity generating country," and then went on to detail further tax breaks and economic power available to miners. The area has a $6 billion gas debt which gets billed to the capital whilst the area is in conflict, and also access to further gas from Russia for transit fees. It's hard to imagine that anyone would like to relocate to this area outside of Russian business or the mafia and move in a load of easily stealable equipment into this law-abiding democracy. For the first ever time, Forbes has published its own list of the richest people in cryptocurrency, admitting that a lot of the data was estimated and that it may be well off the mark, said it needed to draw attention to the fortunes lurking in the shadow, and the world would be a better place if the light was shone on the invisible rich. Also in the same edition, it led with "Meet the freaks, geeks and visionaries." How strange for the blockchain community to see how they are portrayed in the mainstream media. Recently, Beehive and Seele ICOs have been subject to phishing attacks, with hackers gaining access to the Telegram chat channels, email lists, and sending out early bird speculative offers to investors and getting them to surrender their money to criminals' wallets. Token investors were hit for $1 million, and Seele investors lost up to $1.8 million, with a special team now being set up by Seele to sort the situation out. Also recently, ICO Prodiem disappeared in the middle of the crowd sale with the millions, leaving just one simple message on the webpage saying penis. The cryptocurrency community is claiming an unlikely new champion in the form of J. Christopher Giancarlo, the chairman of the US Commodity Futures Trading Committee, who, when addressing the US Senate on banking, said in relation to regulations for crypto, there should be a no-harm approach and that we must take the interests of the current generation into account. As the speech went viral, his Twitter account grew and grew as many users took to Reddit calling for the community to acknowledge his support and thank him. With the regular stock market bouncing back after its record drop, with Singapore stating there was no strong case to ban crypto trading, and with Mr. Giancarlo's positive remarks, the market started to grow, showing steady growth between 20 to 40% across the board. Ethereum was back above $800, Ripple above 70 cents, and all the coins showing growth, albeit slightly slower after the initial spurt. Whether this is a true turnaround or people just buying the dip, who knows? One thing for sure, if you look at the last 7 days, apart from the gold-backed Digits DAO, all the top 50 coins are showing in the red. I'm Dave Young from CryptoCoin.News. This was Altcoins this week. Stay current, stay valid, stay tuned. Don't be the bag man.